Sir, ito po, Vice President Leni Robredo criticized the President's decision to make November 2, December 24, and the last day of the year as regular working days. Sabi niya, this would mean lower income for workers and fewer time for their families. Could you explain to us the rationale behind that decision? Meron po bang study na pinagbasehan ng Pangulo na these 3 days would make an impact in our economic recovery?
Okay, ang tanong ni Pia tungkol po dun sa regular working, no? Pero hindi naman siya regular, it's called special working. At if I understand what special working is, baka po half day ang ibig sabihin yon, kaya special working day. Well, ang rational naman po dyan, dahil nga po sa COVID-19, talagang ang dami na natin mga pagkakataon na hindi nakapasok ang ating mga manggagawa. At siguro ngayong nandito na yung bakuna, kinakailangan tayo kahit papaano makarecover ng lost time. No?
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.